Big news in tech: why some Europeans resist air conditioning, even amid deadly heat waves. CBS News. Here's what you need to know right now. Why some Europeans resist air conditioning, even amid deadly heat waves. CBS News. This story is gaining traction across multiple platforms. Here's the context you need. The conversation around this is accelerating fast, and early coverage positions you ahead of the curve. If you're just hearing about this now, you're still early, but the window is closing. Content around this topic is already getting high engagement. What do you think? Comment below. Follow for daily tech news. Subscribe now.